Baby, where are we going?
To the aquarium!
Okay guys, it's been way too long since I've posted a video and I apologize. Between getting my engine monitor fixed and just life in general, I wasn't flying very much after Oshkosh. But I'm back, and I've got some fun adventures and some awesome content coming, I promise. As for today, we're making a day trip up to the Monterey Aquarium. It's a 2-hour flight and something I've always wanted to go check out. Besides the aquarium, Monterey is also the location of one of our favorite TV shows. Alright, enough about that.
For Echo Romeo, turn right heading 360 vector sequence.
360 for Echo Romeo.
4 Echo Romeo, you can proceed inbound, your discretion, contact Monterey Tower on 8.4.
Inbound, my discretion, going to Tower 4 Echo Romeo. Monterey Tower going 244 Echo Romeo, 6.5 miles to the east with Gulf.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, be number 1 for the right, wind 300 at 12, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 right for Echo Romeo.
Continue to Del Monte via Alpha on this frequency.
28 left, no delay, Del Monte via Alpha for Echo Romeo.
So on the ground in Monterey, stopped at Del Monte Aviation, and now we got an Uber heading over to the aquarium. Our planet has an amazing array of life forms on it, but it's important to be reminded that we are just a tiny sliver of this great but fragile global ecosystem. Up at the aquarium. What do you think?
I can breathe. There's so much gas here.
It smells like jet kerosene out here on the ramp. So
it was awesome.
Yeah, the aquarium was awesome, and now we're gonna head back to LA.
Grumman 2 for Echo Romeo, Monterey clearance.
Yeah, AA5 planned Golf at Del Monte VFR to Whiskey Hotel Papa 7500.
2 for Echo Romeo, thanks. Departure frequency 127.15 and squawk 3735.
Departure 127.15, squawk 3735.
Echo Romeo, that's correct. You ready to taxi now?
Affirmative. And Monterey Tower, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, holding short 28 left.
Grumman 244
Echo Romeo, right turn approved. Wind 280 at 15, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Adios, Monterey.
Adios.
November 4 Echo Romeo, NorCal approach. Are you receiving any ELT on guard frequency 121.5?
Let me go check for Echo Romeo.
Echo Romeo, roger.
Interesting. Yeah.
Tech 4 San Francisco. Okay, aircraft.
NorCal approach 244 Echo Romeo is hearing ELT.
4 Echo Romeo, thank you.
What was that?
That could be a bad sign, but you never know.
What you mean?
That's the... See, when you monitor this frequency, 121.5.
Echo Romeo, was it strong or was it kind of faint?
No, it was strong. Yeah, let me know if you need me to go check something out.
4 Echo Romeo, roger. Thanks, standby 1.
Oh, so maybe someone crashed?
Well, it can go off for a bunch of different reasons. Like sometimes people set them off accidentally, or...
So maybe they tell us to go rescue someone?
Wouldn't be rescue, but it'd be like, hey, like go fly over this little area and see if you see anything.
Oh.
November 194 Sierra Papa, can you switch over to guard frequency 121.5 and tell me if you're picking up an ELT?
I was asking somebody else.
We'll check that ELT 194 Sierra Papa.
Thank you.
Our ELT is quiet for Sierra Papa.
4 Sierra Papa, thank you.
See, now it's fading away. We're going further away from it. At NorCal, this is 4 Echo Romeo. Just to let you know, the ELT signal is now pretty weak from my current position.
4 Echo Romeo, thank you.
So that was an interesting, as you probably heard, ATC was asking us if we heard the ELT. And who knows, multiple things can set off an ELT, a hard landing, or someone could have accidentally activated the ELT, or could have been those things, or it could be a downed aircraft, which, you know, I hope not, but that's what the ELT is for.
Yeah, we hope everything is fine.
So we have about 23 minutes left. Still cruising along 7,500 feet. Been a really smooth flight so far. So smooth that it's put her to sleep.
Number 244 Echo Romeo, radar service is terminated. Remain on your code. Contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
Going to Whiteman. Have a good night. 4 Echo Romeo. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Newhall Pass, landing with Lima.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Whiteman Tower. Good evening. Straight in on 912 for a 3 mile climb.
So if anyone can still see me on this camera, thanks for coming along on the flight, checking out the aquarium with us, and if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so, and we'll make more videos for you.
Adios.